Pathfinder 2017 to 2020 LED headlight bulbs.
The Pathfinder 2017 to 2020 LED headlight bulbs by ViaCode are a top-notch product that delivers outstanding performance and functionality. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that these LED headlight bulbs are worth every penny. One of the key features of these bulbs is their impressive brightness, boasting 4,200 lumens. This ensures excellent visibility on the road and enhances safety during night drives. Additionally, the 6000 K white color temperature produces a clear and crisp light that mimics daylight, providing optimal visibility without straining the eyes. The ViaCode LED headlight bulbs have been designed for easy installation with their plug-and-play feature. This means you can replace your existing bulbs without any hassle or the need for complicated wiring. The wide voltage range of 12, 18
Pathfinder
volts and
2017
IC
to
circuit
2020
technology
LED
ensure a
headlight
stable
bulbs.
current,
Gertjite
preventing any
8TAR7
flickering or
TG and
inconsistent
46
lighting.
UI75, UVGH64, UBudge 75, IGFU 658, VIGU 64 I8 guy.